Hey,
Hi
Vinny.
Jason, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing good, thank you.
Good. Okay. Do you think what do you think would be helpful in terms of me better explaining the project, or like, is there any questions specifically that you have, or how do you want me to try to explain it?
Um, First question is, what did I what what I did not understand?
Yeah. The basically it seemed like you were trying to take two images and like squish the images together in different ways. Whereas what I'm trying to do is just
I what I understood is taking, like, if let's say we upload two images, and then I took some grid from one image, some grid from other images to mix it together, like merge it together to see on the wall, right? No.
right. Well, but so can you pull up? Well, trying to see if I have my phone. So let me just show my screen really quick. Okay, now let me. Okay. Okay, so do you see how
Yeah.
this image here
So
has.
I understood. You took the two pictures and then they mix it well, like mix it together, like merge it together, right? Like,
Well, I'm taking two images of different types of products,
yeah.
and the different types of products are placed together on a wall, like together, so that it looks like an image, but it's just these different types of products together.
So I sent you the last picture, wasn't? Uh,
So this one,
no, no, no. The one on your phone. I just questioned. I did question mark the one I did send. I think the first one. Yeah. There are three images. The first image.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you like in this image? It looks like you have these boards, and then it looks like it's trying to create a board of this barn door image.
Hmm.
But this is not an individual board. This is just
Oh.
this is just an image that's squished down to look like it's like a board.
Okay, but so the individual board, but the pictures you sent me, some are not individual boards. It's a complete picture, right?
Right.
So, but you want to take individual board, two products. Then from two products, you have to take individual board to put it together on the wall.
Right.
So then, how can you expect take a grid from? I mean, the board from um, the other images. Some image
Right.
doesn't.
So that's what I'm hoping. That's what I was thinking that AI could do, is that, or
Oh,
like
now I
it
understood.
knows, it knows that that like AI I think is smart enough to say, let me pull up something. AI is smart enough to say, okay, this is a house and it has nature aged material on it. I'm gonna learn what this nature aged material looks like, each like the boards, what they look like, and then I'm gonna take those boards and I'm gonna be able to understand what a board looks like and be able to then map it onto a new house with a different type of product.
Hmm.
So so you're right that it's not like, if it were something that wasn't as smart as AI or machine learning, then it would have to do something like this.
Hmm.
But what I'm trying to do is see if there's a way to have it learn what our product looks like and then be able to show that product like in a totally different setting.
Hmm. Yeah, now I understood. Before, I mean, I don't know if I still completely understood. So before, what I understood, I want like take two images, take two products, pick some grids from each product and merge it together. Now you wanted to AI to analyze from the picture what kind of grid they are using, something like that, right?
Sort of. I mean, I just want to be able to like, um, let me think. Let me try to. Okay. Do you see how? Let's see. This is an example of a wall of
Yeah,
wood. You see how it's yellow?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. This is an example of another wall of wood.
Yep.
It's We're just going to pretend it's black. Each board is black.
Okay.
Okay, so here's a yellow wall of wood, here's a black wall of wood.
Yeah,
I'm trying to say, okay, well, I'm going to feed these images to
yeah.
AI and I'm going to say I want you to be able to show me what it would look like if these two were combined. Now, what you've given me is you've basically just taken both of these and you've squished them together, or you've gone like this, squish them
Oh,
together. That's an image.
so
What I want is to go like this.
Okay, now let me explain what I understood. Then correct me if I'm wrong. So you want to take. So what I did in the past, I took one egg and omelette. I put it together. I mix like I put it together, right? So
Uh-huh.
then you can see both. Now you want to put them together in the blender, mix it well, and take the product out of it, right?
Yeah, and I guess in a way, but then it needs to look like a wall with two distinct products on it.
Okay.
So this is what I'm sort of looking for now is AI to take both products and figure out what they would look like together. So that it produces something, a wall, sort of like this.
Hmm. Just you have the second one, right?
Well, I've combined both of them together,
So you combined both of them.
but like there's boards from that product A and there's boards from product B,
Then the
and
boards
the
from
boards
product
are
A.
still intact, but they're on the same wall, showing what it would look like if both boards
Oh, okay.
were
You want
used
to
together.
have the same dimension, even if you mix it well, the two images. The first important thing is it should be the same dimension. The actual images are like product A, product B has the same dimensions, and then the output should also have the same dimensions on the wall,
Um,
same size.
I mean, sort of. I mean, the dimensions, like if I gave you a photo that looked like, let's go to some of the sample photos. Okay, so if I gave you a photo of something like this and a photo of something like this, I mean, they're not going to be exactly the same dimensions because like you can see these boards
I mean,
are,
yeah,
it's a
yeah,
little bit zoomed in.
yeah, yeah.
So these boards are a little bit bigger than these boards. But like I want to be able to take what this product looks like and what this product looks like and combine it to make something like this.
Okay. So one one color on top of each other, right?
Yeah, yeah, or just I mean not strictly
Not
like,
strictly like.
but just like blended together so it looks like something like
So what is wrong with mine? The sample,
what's wrong with this one?
yeah, because it also has. But okay. Hmm.
Well, do you think that does this look like a wall to you?
No.
Does it look like it could go on someone's house?
Um. No. It should go on someone's wall, right?
Well, we're building sort of yeah, like a sample wall. Like I
Yeah.
mean, like it doesn't, but like um, so this photo. Let's go to.
Jason, 1 minute. Thank you.
Okay, so you see this image?
Yeah.
Like this is like an example of a wall that looks like a real wall, and it has different types of boards on it. You see there's some light colored boards and there's some dark.
Hmm.
Like that's what a real wall would look like. This, see this just looks like, I mean, this is basically just saying take this garage door image and squish it to look like a board and then put it with other boards.
Yeah.
See, this doesn't look like a real wall,
Hmm.
whereas this pattern looks like a real wall. Same with
Oh. Yeah.
same with like if you go to or this, like this looks like a real wall
Yeah.
with different boards on it. But so anyway, that's um like this. Let's go here. See, like this doesn't look like a real wall.
No, no, that's yeah, yeah.
And same with this one.
This one obviously not. Yeah. Which one is
So
closer?
what was that?
None of them are close to the wall, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So I mean, and maybe it's not possible to do um to build a model that can do what I'm asking, and that's fine. I mean, that might be the case, or we just don't know how to do it.
Hmm.
But anyway. So are there any projects, like, I'm not sure exactly what type of funds or projects we'll have next year or at the start of the year.
Mm-hmm.
But are there any projects that you can think of that you think would be interesting to work on in terms of like types of projects? Like, do you like the AI type, the image generator type project, or do you think that you'd prefer another type of project that you can think of that would be that you think would be better?
Yeah. So, what do you think? So, you don't want to try this one?
Well, I mean, I just don't, I'm not seeing any results that makes me think that this will
Hmm.
like even be possible. Like, unless you're like thinking, oh, I know how to do this based on what he's asking. But if that's not the case, then I'm sort of not seeing any
Yeah.
results that make me think that it will be actually a usable product.
Hmm.
But what are your thoughts?
Hmm. So this is actually just a prototype to see. We have not trained the we trained the model. It has small things to fix because if I fix this prototype, then I can go and fix the other one.
Mm-hmm.
So hmm, I think it is possible though. Maybe not sure.
Yeah, so I mean I don't know too much about the image generation stuff, but I mean I would guess it's possible, but I'm not sure if you or I have the experience to know
Hmm.
exactly how to go about doing it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, because if you go to like ChatGPT now, then I could type in, like I could say, build, or I could say generate a barnwood accent wall with grays and browns. I could do something like this, and I think it would, you know, try to create an image based on that description. Let's see how it does. I don't even know if it'll do well or not. Okay. So it generates an image that looks like that, which is pretty decent,
Yeah.
right? Generates an image, but like these products that it put in there, they're not like specifically our products, right?
Yeah.
So like I think it'd be cool if we could say, generate a accent wall with Trestlewood thermal aged and Trestlewood nature aged products, and it builds something like that, but with our products in it.
Hmm.
So like that's so the power, the capability is there. Like this is like ChatGPT has built something that can do that, but I don't know if like how easy it would be to build our own model that could learn about our own products. Like, it could just be as simple as maybe we feed these images to ChatGPT and it figures out how to use it, but we'd have to make sure, like, we'd have to figure out if that was scalable and if what we'd have to pay for that kind of thing if our customers were generating images. But the technology is possible. It's just I'm not sure how practical it is right now. So, does that make sense?
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you have ideas about how you'd want to go about doing something like that, or then I would be open to what you think about that. But if not, then I think we could move on to another project or just sort of see how you're feeling in general.
What is a barnwood accent wall with grays and browns? Okay, what is barnwood means?
It's just wood that comes from a barn typically.
Oh, okay.
So it's wood that is usually weathered and like gray usually.
Okay.
And it got taken down from a barn.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, we should. Hmm. Hmm. So, what do you think? So, you want to still me to try, or you want to switch to different project?
I guess, if you don't have any ideas about how you'd go about it differently, then I don't think we need to keep trying it. But if you have specific ideas about, like, oh, I need to tweak this or I need to do this, then I would be open to that. But I guess it just sort of depends on if you think you would have ideas about that.
Because I don't want to take long time for us staying in one project,
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, you can decide what is best thing to do.
Okay.
Yeah, then let me know.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
do you have another are there other types of projects that you would be interested in working on based on some of the things we've talked about in the past?
I forgot
Or
what 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 did we talk what did we talk in the past about the project?
well, so we've talked about different things, like we've talked about, I mean, and just in general, there's I think we talked about a mechanism to send out texts, and to, or looking into how to send out texts and read texts. Although that one's more of a research project initially, because I don't even know where we would start on that. Like, it might be that we use a different software or we build our own thing. I mean, it sort of involves some research up front that
Hmm.
someone would need to do. There's, I mean, there could potentially be website type stuff, but um, we'd probably need to figure out how to get you more access to the website and be able to test stuff and um, so anyway, like there'd be front end type stuff. The Yeah, so I'd say that the stuff I'd probably, I haven't really thought of another project yet, so I'd probably need to think about that, or if you have a certain type of project that you feel like is right down your alley, then I would take that into consideration as well. But do you have any thoughts on that?
Mm-mm. Yeah, I don't. Honestly, I don't know. Um, what project are you expecting? Because make sure that project should help the company, right?
Right,
Yeah.
right.
So
When do you go to Arizona?
a Friday.
Friday. Okay.
Yeah. So um.
So maybe I'll think about potential projects and I'll probably need a few days because
Yeah.
I'm gonna work tomorrow, but I'm gonna be off on Thursday, and I'll probably be back on Friday, but that's when you leave.
Yeah.
So I'll probably need several days to think about
Mm-hmm.
if there's any projects that I have um, that I think would be good to turn you loose on,
Yeah.
and then I can maybe get back to you early next week to let you know if I thought of any
Yeah.
specific projects.
Sure.
Does that work?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I'd say we can just sort of put a pause on this one
Yeah.
and I'll think about if there's anything specific that I think you could help with in terms of another type of project.